Hello everyone, welcome back to the RPA Unicorn. I'm excited to walk you through our automated invoice pulling process, designed to eliminate manual hassle and streamline your financial workflows. If you have any questions or would like to collaborate, feel free to reach us at connect@rpaunicorn.com. Let's dive right in. To address these challenges effectively, we must first look at the core operational bottlenecks inherent in the current manual process. The workflow is heavily constrained by high manual effort and repetitive navigation, where team members must individually retrieve invoices and search for purchase orders across multiple properties, significantly driving up processing times. This volume of manual data entry and matching introduces a heightened risk of human error, while a lack of structured, centralized logging complicates audit tracking and compliance management. Furthermore, identifying missing attachments or managing incomplete transaction statuses demands time-intensive verification, resulting in unreliable tracking mechanism, CUJ. Ultimately, these compounding inefficiencies highlight the critical need for a streamlined, automated solution to restore accuracy, visibility, and operational speed. We have developed a seamless, automated end-to-end solution. The process begins with request validation, where a cloud flow automatically validates the incoming JSON payload and immediately flags any structural errors, sending a confirmation only when the data is verified. Once validated, the system triggers desktop flow execution via Power Automate Desktop. The bot logs into Bird Street, navigates to the specified property, searches for the exact PO number, and downloads all associated invoice PDF attachments without requiring manual effort. These downloaded invoices are then seamlessly routed to document storage in SharePoint, which provides centralized storage, structured organization, and the robust audit traceability we previously lacked. Finally, the system manages response handling by automatically constructing a JSON response that links the SharePoint URLs of the downloaded PDFs directly to their corresponding PO numbers and property ID details, ensuring absolute transparency and speed. To visualize how this looks in practice, let's walk through the end-to-end architecture flow of the solution. The process initiates when a calling system sends an HTTP request, which immediately triggers an input payload validation and issues a system acknowledgement. Once verified, the cloud workflow triggers the desktop automation, commanding the bot to securely log into Bird Street, search for the specific purchase order under designated property, and download the respective invoice PDFs. From there, the bot uploads these attachments directly to a centralized SharePoint list. Finally, the system generates an output JSON payload containing the new SharePoint URLs and returns the structured response back to the calling system, successfully concluding the cycle with zero manual intervention. Let's review the key results and benefits delivered by this automation framework. By transitioning from manual effort to an HTTP-based cloud flow, we achieve much faster processing and response times, reducing turnaround to just minutes. The end-to-end flow completely eliminates manual intervention and repetitive navigation, while structured JSON validation and automated PO searches significantly improve overall accuracy and control. Furthermore, centralizing document management in SharePoint provides seamless access and total audit traceability, while the structured API-based output ensures smooth integration with both upstream and downstream systems. Ultimately, by combining Power Automate Cloud, Desktop, and SharePoint, we have built a highly scalable and reusable architecture capable of handling multi-property, high-volume processing with ease. That brings us to the end of our video. On behalf of the entire team at RPA Unicorn, I want to thank you all for your time and attention today. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to collaborating with you to drive efficiency and innovation in your business processes.